Our world runs on technology that seems almost magical, seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. But at the heart of this technological revolution are tiny semiconductor chips, so small, yet so powerful, they're almost invisible to the naked eye. These chips, packed with billions of microscopic switches called transistors, act as the brains behind every electronic device we use, from smartphones and laptops to electric cars and medical equipment. Without them, our digital lives would grind to a halt. Imagine a world where the lights go out, factories stop, and communication ceases, all because of a missing chip. They power not just our personal gadgets, but the entire global economy, running internet servers, controlling factory machines, and even safeguarding national security systems. The ability to design and produce advanced chips has become a new form of global power, influencing which nations lead in technology and innovation. Countries are racing to secure their own chip supply, investing billions in building new factories, knowing that any disruption can cripple entire industries overnight. Recent global shortages reveal just how dependent we are. Fewer chips meant fewer cars, computers, and gaming consoles, leaving shelves empty and consumers waiting. The competition for control over these chips is fierce, shaping international relationships, trade policies, and the very future of technological progress. This isn't just about making faster phones or smarter gadgets, it's about economic dominance, national security, and military superiority in a rapidly changing world. The battle for semiconductor supremacy is a defining struggle of our time, with consequences that ripple across every industry and every nation. It's fought not with weapons, but with trade restrictions, corporate takeovers, and intense political maneuvering behind closed doors. The outcome of this global race will impact every one of us for decades to come, shaping the way we live, work, and connect with each other. While tech giants like Intel and Nvidia grab headlines, companies like Nexperia quietly keep the world running. Based in the Netherlands, Nexperia makes essential semiconductors, basic chips that manage power and signals in countless devices. In cars, these chips control everything from windows to engine systems. Without them, modern vehicles simply can't function. Nexperia is a critical supplier for automakers like Volkswagen and Stellantis. Originally part of Philips, Nexperia was acquired by China's Wingtech in 2019. This put a vital European chipmaker under Chinese ownership, raising concerns as global tensions rose. For years, Nexperia operated quietly, but as the strategic value of every chip became clear, it landed in the geopolitical spotlight. Now, this Dutch company with a Chinese owner is at the center of a global power struggle. Its fate is a test case for how the West will handle China's growing influence over critical technology. The US-China chip war isn't fought with weapons or on traditional battlefields. Instead, it's a struggle waged in research labs, boardrooms, and government offices. Here, economic and technological might are the tools of power, shaping the future of entire industries and nations. The US leads in advanced chip design, setting the pace for innovation, but fears that China's rapid rise could threaten its global dominance and technological edge. To slow China's progress, the US imposed strict controls, restricting access to high-end chips and the sophisticated equipment needed to make them. The entity list was expanded, blocking thousands of Chinese firms from buying American technology and sending shockwaves through the global tech sector. Chinese-owned companies abroad, like Nexperia, suddenly found themselves under intense scrutiny, their every move questioned by regulators. The US worried that technology from companies like Nexperia could be funneled back to China, undermining American restrictions and fueling China's ambitions. Washington pressured its closest allies, especially the Netherlands and Japan, to join in limiting China's access to critical tech, forging a united front. This forced countries to walk a tightrope, balancing security ties with the US against deep economic links to China, and weighing national interests against global stability. The result, an unprecedented global pressure campaign, with companies like Nexperia caught in the crossfire, facing uncertainty and risk at every turn. The chip war is now a high-stakes contest over who will control the future of technology, artificial intelligence, and the digital economy. Every move is watched, every alliance tested, as governments and corporations maneuver for advantage in this new era. The fate of companies like Nexperia is no longer just about business. It's about geopolitics, national security, and the balance of power. As the US and China escalate their rivalry, the world's supply chains hang in the balance, vulnerable to disruption and uncertainty. The chip war has redrawn the map of global power, shifting alliances and creating new fault lines in international relations. Nexperia's story is just one battle in a much larger conflict, one that will shape the future for generations to come. The stakes, economic dominance, national security, and the very future of innovation itself. And as the drama unfolds, the world is watching, waiting to see who will shape the next chapter of the digital age. The Netherlands faced an impossible choice side with the US, its key security ally, or risk-angering China, a major trading partner and Nexperia's owner. Under US pressure, the Dutch government took unprecedented action. In September 2025, it invoked a Cold War-era law to seize temporary control of Nexperia, citing national security. The goal: prevent valuable technology from being transferred to China. This move shocked the business world. Seizing a private company was a radical step for the Netherlands. The government installed its own overseers at Nexperia, signaling it was serious about security. But the decision risked disrupting Europe's vital auto industry, where Nexperia is a key supplier. The Dutch hoped to appease the US without triggering economic chaos. But in the global chip war, every move has consequences. China was certain to respond. The world braced for the fallout. China's response was swift and forceful. Beijing halted all exports of Nexperia's finished chips, cutting off European and US car makers overnight. Major automakers like Volkswagen and Stellantis suddenly faced a critical shortage. With no stockpiles, assembly lines were threatened with shutdowns. The global auto industry, still recovering from past chip shortages, was plunged into crisis. China's message was clear: interfere with Chinese-owned assets, and your industries will pay. The standoff put thousands of jobs at risk and sent shockwaves through the global economy. For 2 tense months, carmakers lobbied desperately for a solution as supplies dwindled. The Nexperia crisis exposed just how vulnerable global supply chains are to geopolitical conflict. The pressure was now on the Dutch government to find a way out. As governments clashed, a corporate battle erupted inside Nexperia. European executives accused Wingtech, the Chinese parent, of mismanagement and trying to siphon off Nexperia's assets for China's benefit. They took their case to the Amsterdam Enterprise Court, alleging CEO Zhang Shuijiang was draining value from the Dutch company. In October 2025, the court sided with the European team, suspending Zhang as CEO. Now, Nexperia was under Dutch state control and embroiled in a leadership crisis. The fight was no longer just between nations, but within the company itself. The legal battle deepened mistrust and added new complexity to the crisis. Who truly controlled Nexperia, Dutch state, Chinese owner, or European managers, was now an open question. The Nexperia standoff sent shockwaves through the auto industry. With a key chip supplier offline, carmakers faced the threat of halted production and empty lots. Memories of past chip shortages resurfaced, skyrocketing prices, long waitlists, and economic uncertainty. Stock prices of automakers swung wildly as investors braced for impact. When the crisis eased, markets calmed, but the scars remained. The episode exposed the risks of globalized just-in-time supply chains. Companies and governments began rethinking their strategies, seeking more resilient local sources, even at higher costs. The goal: never again be so vulnerable to a single point of failure. After 2 tense months of uncertainty, a breakthrough finally arrived. The Dutch government announced it would suspend its control of Nexperia, the embattled chipmaker at the center of the storm. In response, China lifted its export ban. The immediate crisis was over. Assembly lines roared back to life, and the auto industry breathed a collective sigh of relief as production resumed and jobs were saved. But this was only a temporary truce, not a lasting peace. The Dutch government made it clear: they reserved the right to intervene again if national interests were threatened, keeping the door open for future action. Meanwhile, the US-China chip war rages on, with both superpowers ready to weaponize global supply chains as leverage in their ongoing struggle for technological dominance. Legal battles over Nexperia's leadership and ownership remain unresolved, casting a long shadow over the company's future and the industry at large. The political landscape is shifting rapidly, and the possibility of new US leadership could bring renewed pressure on allies, forcing them to take sides in this high-stakes conflict. The Nexperia saga has set a powerful precedent. Companies in critical sectors are now seen as strategic assets, not just ordinary businesses, and their fate is tied to national security. The boundaries between business, technology, and national security have become permanently blurred, making every corporate decision a matter of global consequence. The fragile stability that ended the standoff is built on shaky ground, with trust eroded and uncertainty looming over every negotiation. As long as the chip war rages, another crisis could erupt at any time, threatening industries, economies, and the delicate balance of power. The world is on notice, watching and waiting for the next move in this never-ending battle for control over the future.